everyone. Welcome back to Dialoguing English podcast. I'm Sophia, your English teacher.
And I'm James, your friendly English learner.
Good to have you here, James. And to everyone listening, don't forget to like this episode and subscribe to get simple English lessons every day.
Yes, subscribe. Let's learn English together, step by step.
Exactly. Today's episode is about weekend plans. What we do, what we eat, where we go, and how to talk about it in English. Let's start with something simple. Greetings. Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great, thanks. So when you meet a friend on Friday, you can say, "Hi, what are your plans for the weekend?"
Nice. That's a very natural question.
Yes, and you can answer, "I'm going to the park. I'm visiting my family. I'm staying home."
Simple and easy.
Now, a quick review of numbers. We use numbers to say what time we do things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Got it.
Let's make sentences. I wake up at 8. I eat lunch at 12. I meet my friends at 6.
Perfect. So I can say, I play soccer at 5.
Exactly. Weekends are about Saturday and Sunday, but let's review all days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Easy.
Great. Now, tell me, what do you usually do on Friday?
On Friday, I finish work and watch a movie.
Nice. And on Saturday?
On Saturday, I sleep late and meet my friends.
Sounds like a good weekend. When we make weekend plans, we often talk about things we use, objects. For example, phone, bag, book, sunglasses, camera, ticket.
Right. I always take my phone and sunglasses when I go out.
Me too. And sometimes I take my camera to take pictures.
Oh, that's a good idea. I love taking pictures at the park.
Now my favorite part, food and drinks.
Mine too.
On weekends, people often eat out or cook something nice. Let's name some food. Pizza, rice, chicken, salad, bread. And drinks, water, juice, coffee, soda.
On Saturday, I love pizza and soda night.
That sounds fun. I usually drink coffee and eat pancakes on Sunday morning.
That's a perfect Sunday breakfast.
It is. You can say, I drink coffee every morning. I eat pizza on Saturday. I cook dinner for my family.
Simple and useful sentences.
Now let's talk about what we do on weekends. Here are some common activities. Sleep, relax, watch TV, read, go shopping, visit family, go to the park.
Okay, I usually sleep late on Saturday morning, then I go shopping in the afternoon.
Nice! I like going to the park and reading a book.
Oh, that sounds relaxing.
Yes. So, James, what are your plans for this weekend?
On Saturday, I'll go to the park with my friends. On Sunday, I'll stay home and cook pasta.
That sounds perfect. What about you, Sophia? I'll visit my parents on Saturday, and on Sunday, I'll rest and watch a movie.
Good plan.
Let's do a short example conversation for everyone listening. Hi, James. What are you doing this weekend?
Hi, Sophia. I'm going to the park on Saturday.
Nice. Are you going with your friends?
Yes, with Anna and Tom.
And on Sunday?
I'll stay home and cook pasta.
Yummy! Sounds delicious.
Yes, it's my favorite.
See? That's how you talk naturally about your weekend plans. Simple words, clear sentences, and real conversation. Let's add time and days to make your sentences complete. For example, I'll go shopping on Saturday morning. I'll meet my friends at 3. I'll have dinner at 7.
Okay, I'll go jogging on Sunday morning.
Perfect! You sound natural. All right, let's review everything we learned today.
Let's go.
So, greetings, hello, hi, how are you? Numbers, at 8, at 10, at 6. Days, Saturday and Sunday for weekend plans. Objects, phone, bag, camera, sunglasses. Food and drinks, pizza, coffee, juice. And activities, sleep, relax, cook, read, visit family.
That's a lot, but it was easy to understand.
That's the goal. Short words, clear meaning, and real examples.
I feel more confident already.
I'm so happy to hear that. And to everyone listening, practice speaking out loud. You can say, this weekend, I will, and complete your sentence.
Great idea.
Okay, everyone. That's it for today's episode of Dialoguing English Podcast.
We hope you had fun and learned some easy English for your weekend plans.
Don't forget to like this episode and subscribe to get new lessons every day.
And share it with a friend who wants to learn English too.
Exactly. See you next time and have a great weekend.
Bye, everyone.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep dialoguing in English.